Science, in this video, let's figure out how to create this in order to understand the Pythagorean theorem and right triangles. So let's get started. I have a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. This is 3 inches. This leg is 3 inches. This leg is 4 inches. And the hypotenuse is 5 inches. So I could go ahead and measure a square 3 by 3. And that would equal a volume of 9 inches, or 3 squared. The 4 side has a volume of 16 square inches because I multiply 4 by 4. And we know the Pythagorean theorem states a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 9 plus 16 is 25. But now, let me move this up just a little bit. Let's see how that works. So let me show you what to do, okay? According to the Pythagorean theorem, the 3 side, the volume of this 3 side, plus the volume of the 4 side equals the volume of the hypotenuse. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. But it's hard to visually see this when they're in this shape. So here's what you can do. You can see I have it marked already. I have a mark here. This is on the top, and this is opposite on the side. Since this is on the side, this is on the bottom. Since it's on the bottom, this is the side. And I have measured, if it's 4 by 4, you can measure exactly 3/4 of an inch. And so I've already measured that. And so I draw a line from one side to the other. Okay. And then I do the same over here. Remember, I've measured each of these 3/4 of an inch. Okay. And now what I do is I go ahead and cut it. Now, when you cut it, you want to create 4 triangles. And this is what I mean by this. I'm cutting this first one. And so what I do, so I don't mess up, I just kind of cut to the where they all intersect. Then I'm going to cut this. And then I'll keep cutting to this. And then one more cut. And you end up with these 4 pieces. Okay? And they're all basically the same. Okay, now I'll show you what to do with these 4 pieces. So now you put the 4 pieces in the corners. I'm taking the corner there, then you place this one here, and you can kind of see what I'm doing. Then you place this one here, and then you place this one, this last one here. And if you measure very carefully, you will see that this fits in the middle. Now I'm going quickly. What I did here was I very carefully placed them properly, and you can see it's the same 4 shapes, and that the smallest leg fits in there perfectly. And therefore it demonstrates what you have. You have the, let me move this. You have the right triangle. Here is the 4 side, okay? And then here's the 3 side, and you can notice it's all sitting on the 5. And you can, this shows you that the a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So there we go. I hope that helps you with the Pythagorean theorem. Thanks for watching, and MooMooMath uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.